Hey y'all, come with me to renovate my suite day one. So I've been working on my house for the last 2 years and I finally got my suite. So we're going to start this journey on every day of seeing how I renovate this suite. I'm going to relaunch not relaunch, but do my grand opening next month. So let's just count down the days and renovate this suite together. So I'll jump right into it. Got the sweeping. I'm about to mop tomorrow. I'm bringing a whole bunch of cleaning stuff tomorrow as well. I was very much out equipped today and I didn't realize how much work I had to really do. So I'm sending in for the cavalry tomorrow because this is a lot of work. So day one was me washing and cleaning these chairs because they were filthy, and I actually went thrifting for the other 2 chairs you're gonna see in the next clip, which is these white ones, and I got them for a steal, $25 a piece. And yeah, they're really cute and I can't wait to see how they look in my lobby. But when I tell you that these chairs took me out, chair 1 was okay. Yeah, I was making it through chair number 1, no problem. But when I got to chair number 2 was not playing with me. It really did me in, okay? So I don't know if I was dying from the bleach by this point or I was just running out of energy for the day, because I did do this at the end of the day. But still, like, after doing number 2, like right now in this moment, I'm thinking, yeah, this is it. I'm not doing nothing else after this. So you'll see me put my stuff right back in that corner and wait for my mom and my grandma tomorrow, who are coming to help me because I'm gonna need it. I have to clean the bathroom. I have to mop these floors. They have mud all over them. I don't know what was going on with the other tenant, but yeah, they were pretty much very filthy in there. I don't know what was happening, but yeah. Stay tuned for day number 2 and beyond.